AWS Glue is a serverless data integration service that makes it easy to prepare, move, and integrate data from multiple sources. Hi guys, this is Abi from Gokce DB, and in this video, you're going to learn 7 things about the AWS Glue service. Let's get into it. Number 1, AWS Glue can integrate with more than 80 data sources on AWS, on-premises, and on other clouds. Number 2, the AWS Glue Data Catalog is a central repository to store structural and operational metadata for all your data assets. You can store table definitions and business-relevant attributes for your dataset and track changes over time. Number 3, AWS Glue can automatically discover both structured and semi-structured data stored in your data lake on S3 and Amazon Redshift. Number 4, data engineers can visually create, run, and monitor ETL workloads in just a few steps using the AWS Glue Studio. Number 5, using AWS Glue DataBrew, data analysts can visually enrich, clean, and normalize data without writing any code. Number 6, AWS Glue also supports data streams from Amazon Managed Streaming for Apache Kafka and Kinesis data streams. Last but not the least, number 7. As of this recording, you get 1 million objects stored for free with the AWS free tier. In summary, AWS Glue allows you to build and manage a modern data pipeline with a single data integration service for analytics, machine learning, and application development. There you have it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time,